Organised firefighting dates back at least as far as ancient Egypt, but the first municipal fire brigade was established in Edinburgh in 1824. Firefighters' helmets have been made from many materials, ranging from brass to Kevlar. This North American leather helmet is strictly for the hot-headed. Leather is surprisingly flame-resistant. When reinforced, it also makes for an extremely hard hat, offering protection from heat, dangerous liquids, and sudden impact. On this newer model, the accessories shield the eyes and ears too. Production begins with 4 die-cut leather sections. They're sewn together to make the skull of the helmet. This piece will become the brim of the helmet. To give the skull structure, each section is folded and sewn. Then the crease is flattened with a special hammer. A template is used to score a sewing line in the leather. Then the sections are joined together using a powerful sewing machine. The 2 halves are joined together and reinforced with double stitching. The resulting 8 ridges give the skull stiffness and strength. The leather is stretched over a plastic mould, and any excess leather is trimmed from the ridges. Then 4 vice grips are clamped to the rim. These attach to a hydraulic jack that stretches the skull overnight. After glue is applied to the ridges, they are run through compression rollers to create a tight bond. The brim piece is wetted several times to make it more pliable. Then it's stamped with a design used by this company since 1846. A wire is inserted that will give the brim some structural support, and then a temporary plastic cover and lid are put in place to ensure an even spread of pressure across the brim. The edges of the leather are stuffed inside before the press applies 10 tons of force to imprint the design. Next, the skull is sewn to the brim. The excess leather at the base of the skull is removed, and the centre of the brim is cut out. Then, the plastic mould is removed. In order to seal the leather, the hats are dipped in a vat of hot rosin, a type of tree sap. After 55 minutes, they're removed and left to dry at room temperature for 8 weeks. This slow drying process makes the leather as hard as wood. Drying it mechanically would make it brittle. To make the inside, a plastic cap is inserted to reinforce the structure. The fit is intentionally tight, so a mallet is used to tap it into place. Inside this, another plastic cap with nylon straps is added. This will help to resist the impact of falling objects. An acetylene torch is used to burn off any loose threads and soften the leather so that the brim can be bent and the ridges can be straightened later on. Turning up the sides is basically an aesthetic gesture. The longer edges at the back will direct water away from the neck. After synthetic fire retardant liner is added, the outer surface is sanded to prepare it for painting. First, a fire retardant chemical primer is added. Then a semi-gloss latex paint in Firefighter's Black. Or if you prefer, a clear varnish to show off the natural leather. A front piece with the Firefighter's signature brass eagle is added on top. And then some fluorescent stickers for extra visibility. And you've got the right headgear for a hero's job.